product. Each of our cards is printed using silkscreen and offset printing technology. We use an imported 4-color offset press from Germany and conduct anti-scratch and anti-abrasion treatments to the surface layers to improve the durability. The card can be printed with laser marks, flat marks, and raised marks. It can also be gilded or silver-plated to enhance the artistic quality. According to specific customer requirements, we can also add different visual effects to the cards, including UV, laser stamp printing, flat mark printing, raised mark printing, gilding, and silver plating. We have introduced several sets of sophisticated equipment to carry out automatic operations for different card types in different production processes. Magnetic stripe card, contact card, non-contact card. Each of our cards is die cut after the positioning and lamination at a die cutting speed of 20,000 cards per hour. All finished products are strictly tested for reliable quality. We also have diverse packing options to meet various customer requirements.
To show you what we mean, let's track a chip card from the initial design to final delivery to highlight our full range of capabilities at TSYS Output Services. For this example, we will track a chip-on-demand card produced through TSYS Card Shop. Keep in mind that we can personalize pre-installed chip cards or mill and embed from card vault stock, all with the same quality, speed, and craftsmanship you will see here. First, we initiate a project through Card Designer with full customization capabilities that allow you or your clients to personalize the look and feel of their cards. By streamlining offline processes, speeding approvals, and improving card design efficiency, our tools are easy to use and give your bank and card holders the control and choice they need. The next stop for our card is at TSYS Card Shop. By utilizing a digital press instead of a traditional offset environment, TSYS Card Shop allows more agility and flexibility in terms of quantities required or phased implementations to help you plan and manage your migration to meet your specific needs. What begins as a blank white sheet of PVC plastic quickly becomes a beautiful 4-color card. Next, the card is laminated to a polished finish. After lamination, each card is cut out using a card punching machine where the final products are sorted from excess material. They are then placed in a finishing machine to apply holograms and signature panels to the rear of the card. Next, each card goes through our chip-on-demand process, where each chip is thoroughly tested before, during, and after it's placed inside the card. To begin, a tool delicately creates a chip-sized cavity in the card, a process known as milling. Once measured and double-checked, a chip is embedded in each card. After the embedding process, the machine verifies the proper height, size, and position once more, ensuring total accuracy and customer satisfaction. Now the card is ready for your customer's data. Each is embossed with the specified name and card number, with an additional tipping process to add color to the raised letters and numbers. Then the magnetic stripe and chip are encoded, and the card is spot tested for an additional and final time before the process is completed. From there, we attach each card to a unique and personalized card mailer, fold the package, and place it in an envelope for delivery to your customer. I'm glad you could join me on a journey of a chip card as it makes its way from a blank piece of plastic into something your customers will use every day to make payments with greater security and fraud prevention. We constantly strive to bring industry-leading methods and technology to every process at TSYS. As you finalize your chip card migration plans and even into the months and years that follow, we hope you will think of TSYS Output Services as your partner to help every step of the way.